Hi guys, Girolamo Aloe here, and today I want to talk about my profitability in June 2018, just in the last months. I closed 23 trades and 20 of them were in profit and 3 of them with a compensated loss. I had a rate of success of 86.96%, definitely very good. During the past year, the previous 12 months, I had a profitability that was over 74%. I have to say that in these weeks, so as in June, I am tremendously busy. I am really not able to manage my portfolio. Indeed, I stopped to check my stock market, US stock market, ETF, and so on. So I was going to trade only Forex because Forex is the easiest marketplace where you can invest completely, the easiest one. Everybody can make money in Forex. It is really easy. Let me show you what I did in June. I went to trade at the end of the day. So I just followed the demand cycle. The demand cycle shows to me what is going to happen in the market. And this is something that is repetitive. This repeats itself time by time. And in Forex, this is clearly visible. This is why I'm able to make money on Forex, because the demand cycle is clearly visible. I can see it. This is very simple. And when I trade Forex at the end of the day, I just waiting to see the weakness in the demand. I mean, I have in a day 24 hours. During the day, I have a phase in the cycle where the demand is strong, and the phase in the cycle later where the demand is very weak. So I wait to see the weak demand, and I have simply to consider if the price is concretely high or not. If the price is high into the trending area that I was monitoring, then I have a very weak demand. This means that I am in a favorable condition to look for a sell if the price shows hesitation to advance. So I am at the end of the day, I'm just monitoring the stock for several days, not just for one day, several days, several weeks. The price is spiking up at the end of a progression, and I see that the price is hesitating to advance, and I see also that the demand has decreased. The demand is now completely weak. At the end of the day, I have my chance to sell. Chance to sell on weak demand. I was too busy to make trading properly, but I was not busy to wait the weakness in the demand and sell where I had a favorable condition for a sell trade. Just this. Being busy, I was not able to consider trades to run for the mid or for the long term, but I just was focused on trades with a purpose to realize my profit in a few days. So I got my sell trade high, and my trade reached the target in a few days. Some days, 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, just this. So I got my profit in this way, repeating this continually. I have to consider also some other things. One is if the price is at the end of a markup, so if the price is going to get a climatic action to stop it. And this shows to me a specific condition where I can take a specific trade, just taking advantage for the market reaction that moved the price down. The other situation that I have to consider is if the price is already high and this is developing a bulge. In the developing of the bulge, I get another great advantage. The demand decreases. The demand becomes weaker time by time in the bulge with every rebound. Every rebound of the price in the bulge is just a secondary test of the demand to continue the markup. But this secondary test just fails time by time, and the demand becomes concretely weaker and weaker and still weaker, with every rebound still weaker. So at the end, I am in a situation where the demand is the weakest possible, and this is concretely visible in the chart. And this is the advantage I have. So when the demand is the weakest in the market, developing the bulge, I get my chance to sell. The price is high. It shows hesitation to advance. It gave to me several indications of increased supply pressure, and then the demand is completely weak. So when the demand cycle is very weak and the demand in the bulge is completely weak, I get my chance to sell. The large interests are giving away securities when the price is high in this situation with a very weak demand. This liquidation gives the securities to the following buyers, and this moves the price in the opposite direction. The price declines, so I see my trades running profit very soon, and my trades just goes down and reach my target. Now you know how I made profit in June. Just a simple way to earn money by Forex. Really simple. And you can use it for your advantage. So, Thank you guys to listen my words. Thank you to be here and see you next time.